Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch, and this is the Stock Market 101, the introduction. Where do you begin? Many investors ask me, I'm new in the stock market, where do I begin? This is where to begin. 1. Open a CDS account. A CDS account is like a bank account, and it stores money, and it also stores shares that you buy from the stock market. The stock market has almost 60 companies. We have banks, about 15 of them. We have insurance companies. We have telecommunication companies like Safaricom. We have investment companies like ICDCI. We have commercials like Nation Media Group. We have manufacturing sector like BAT, East African Breweries. We have energy companies like Kengen. We have agricultural companies like Sasini. We have many companies in the stock market, about 60 of them. The first thing, open a CDS account. CDS account you can open with any stock broker. There are about 30 stock brokers in Kenya. Among the stock brokers, we have banks. And we have banks like KCB is a stock broker, Equity Bank is a stock broker, NCBA is a stock broker, Kingdom Security Corp is a stock broker. We have about 5 or so banks that are stock brokers. Then we have other investment banks. Then we have stock brokers like Genghis Capital. Personally, I invest my money with Genghis Capital. He's my stock broker. He's been my stock broker for the last 7 years. The reason I love Genghis Capital is very simple. They have an app. Out of the 30 stock brokers, there are other stock brokers without an app, like KCB and Equity. Big for nothing, but they don't have an app. But with an app, I can do my stock market trading on my phone. But with others like Equity Bank, you have to go to the banking hall and tell them to buy for you shares. So an app is very good. So first, open a CDS account with a stock broker. Secondly, put the money in the CDS account. Once you put the money in the CDS account, you can then access it from your phone. You can then access it even online. There are some stock brokers which have online trading facility. From the online trading facility or from your phone, you can then buy shares. Now, for Genghis Capital, they have an app, an application that you can easily download from Play Store. The app is called G-Kuze. 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 We have Jikuze app that you can easily download from Play Store, and they also have an iOS version for those who are using iPhones. Now, once you download this app, then you can be able, of course, first, you open a CDS account. To open a CDS account, they'll need you to have 2 passport photos. They'll need you to have a KRA PIN, and they'll need you to have your ID. You need to send these details to your stock broker. But now I have a Telegram group, and you can join the Telegram channel here. We have Genghis Capital agent. His name is called Mike Ayo. He will guide you through the process of opening a CDS account with Genghis stock brokers. Now, the moment you open a CDS account, then the moment is activated, you can then put the money in the CDS account. Then you download the app, Jikuze app, on your phone. From your phone, then you can buy shares, sell shares, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the summary. And now, why should you bother buying stocks? The reason you should consider buying stocks is this. Stock or shares is considered as an asset. And with assets, you can easily take a loan against assets. You see the way you have land, we have houses. You can easily take a loan against the assets that you have. And shares is also an asset. You can easily take a loan against shares. But I'm not after you taking a loan with shares. I'm after you developing growing your asset base and not using them to take a loan. Keep growing, keep growing, keep growing. You don't even need a loan, my friend. You can grow your money. If you need to take a loan of 300,000, why not grow your money till it reaches 300,000? If you needed to take a loan for 1,000,000 shillings, why not grow your money and reach that 1,000,000 shillings? Because that's what I'm doing with the people in my group. I'm telling them this. You can be a millionaire in 5 years. The principle is very simple. Save 10,000 shillings for 12 months times 5 years. Mathematically on a computer or a calculator, that is 600,000. But if you buy shares, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and make 40% return per year, in 5 years, that money will be 1 million flat. You don't even need a loan. Loan and banks, these guys are thieves. They'll give you 100,000, they want you to pay back 300,000. The interest rate you may think is small, but over time, that interest rate grows, especially those with mortgage. I've seen people lose houses. I've seen a lady lose a 54 million house courtesy of losing her job due to corona. You lose your job today, after a month or two, the bank don't want to hear of anything. They need their money. Even if you tell them, okay, please be kind to me, give me a month or two so that I restructure myself. No, they need their money. Or else they auction your house. And it's very, very painful. I tell people, save, invest, grow your money. You don't need the banks. You don't need the Shylocks. The reason we fall into these loans and these temptations is one thing. I want my car now. I want my house now. There is no hurry in Africa. Just save, just invest, just grow your money, pole pole. There is no hurry in Africa. Why should you fall into the temptation of loans, my friend? And tomorrow you are auctioned. Auctioneers come for your car. Auctioneers come for your house. Auctioneers come for... It is unfair. Don't avoid loans. Again, back to our topic. Where to begin? Open a CDS account. Put money in the CDS account. Download Jikuze app. Begin buying and selling shares. And why should you be even bothered the stock market? As I told you, stock market is an asset. The shares are an asset. Then secondly, if you buy shares, let's take for example, you bought Safaricom 13 years ago. The stock was 5 shillings. Over a period of time, the stock has grown up. The stock has gone up. The stock has gained value. The share price has gone up from 5 shillings, now is 41 shillings. So you buy shares so that with time your money grows. Safaricom has grown almost 8 times. And this is very good news for the investors. And so it should be very good news for you too, that your money grows over time. Then secondly, of course, you'll be getting dividends. You'll be getting dividends. I want you to join my Telegram group. This is where I tell people the shares to buy, because tomorrow or next week they'll be giving dividends. And you don't want to miss. You need dividends. You need to invest your money. You need to get dividends. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please share this video with your friends. If you are in a chama, invite me. I will come. Send me an invite link. If you're in a church, invite me. Send me an invite link. I will come. I will talk to your people about the stock market. Erokamano. Bye-bye. Asante sana.